This is the elevator at 734 Walt Whitman Road. Used to be a Burlington. This frame looks kind of like, it looks like, that one building on Jericho Turnpike, which was also Burlington. Got a monitor TR mod, it looks like. Yeah, this is a Burlington. I've seen videos of this elevator. What a shame. Yeah. Ooh, very nice cab though. But it could be the original motor. I might have to hear the original motor. I don't know if this is, I don't know if that's a replaced pump or not. I can't tell. Well, I will close it first and then we'll send it. It could be the original motor. Have to hear it again. Oh. A little glitchy controller there. Don't know who did this mod. Probably some generic thing. The cab is really nice though. E. Monitor TR buttons. Yeah, no brand. This is probably, I don't know, could be an Excel mod, I don't know, or Excelsior or something. I'll have to hear that start up again because I don't know, that sounded kind of original. I don't know, but is the button original down here? Nope. Ooh. Stays lit there. Wait, it might do a thing. It didn't go anywhere. All right, I want to hear this start up. Ooh, jolt there. Ooh, doors. Not that great. Oh, it's got the original interlock there. So there's some original things about this one. It's a nice mod. I'll take it. Would have preferred to see it original. Anyways, that's it.